Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to deposit tokens in Ambire Wallet. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, find and open Ambire Wallet application on your device. And log in using your PIN or biometrics. Now, you can see Deposit button at the dashboard of your screen. Click on it. Then, you will get your address right above the QR code. You can copy the address by clicking on it and save it to deposit the tokens. Or, you can also screenshot this and send the QR code to scan it and deposit the token. And that is how you can deposit tokens in Ambire Crypto Wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.